Facilitators again, 85 and 86, please check kung nasusulod ang mga tiil aton mga contestants within the dyaryo. Wow, magkaroon talaga graduates of Naga-Naga Elementary School. Waray pa may na-eliminate. Sige. Music maestro, request pa iha. Hala, enjoy. Woo! Ang mga dance moves. Okay, let's do a twist to the shaper dance. You please move around. Okay, move around. Woo! Kunain ka mo matungurang music. Matiyo ko po nun. Big circle na pag-dance. Okay. So, may na out. Hey, Ate Belen and Marilu. And also from 2010. Thank you very much. Uy. Ano ini mga host na liwat? So, we still have here the Violet. Are you 1992?
Yes, 92.
Okay, 1992. 1985, 1986, and 1980 with
Son, atobang,
2010.
Son, atobang.
Alright, sige,
atobang,
sige,
kaya upload na.
Okay, ano pag-practice ko na ito? Move. Order from the paper. Woo! Dance, dance!
Okay, okay.
Okay, pahirayo ka mo papel. Woo! Okay daw kay mga magkarit arihira. Okay, waray pa may na eliminate.